Imagine that you could care for your clients in a manner that you've been taught, with the highest level of clinical quality and excellence. Imagine making a difference in every life you touch at every visit, every day. Imagine a career that offers you flexible scheduling and control over your workday and satisfies your need for independence. And if that isn't enough, now imagine being a part of an innovative, growing organization that is completely committed to being the leading provider in the fastest growing sector in healthcare in the nation, the home and community care sector. More than ever, Canadians are receiving healthcare treatment and support at home and in the community. Whether it is ensuring loved ones are safe, or providing acute care follow-up, or caring for a client and family during final days, VON nurses, practical nurses, and home support staff are helping families care for their loved ones in their homes. VON was founded in 1897 by Lady Aberdeen to provide health care to rural communities without practitioners. From these humble beginnings, VON became a part of the fabric of Canada's healthcare system, providing home care and community support services to many generations. Today, VON is the country's largest national charitable not-for-profit home and community care provider, serving more than 1 million Canadians every year through a network of 16,000 staff and volunteers in over 1,300 communities from coast to coast.
I have multiple sclerosis, and I was walking when they started with me, and they've been with me, and I've always had very good nurses.
Judy is a wonderful person. She's very strong and very courageous, and it is a joy to come in here and help her so that she can stay in her home.
Makes a big difference when your life becomes this, like, you know, in this bed, that not able to walk and get around. You become very dependent on other people coming into the house. If I didn't have them coming, I wouldn't be able to stay here, even though my husband is here, but he can't be here 24 hours a day, and he doesn't know any medical things that, you know, if something was going wrong. If I didn't have them, I would probably have to go to some kind of home. So I feel very fortunate to have them.
We're able to keep them in their home. They don't have to go to the hospital for care. It's just a wonderful feeling, and you feel very proud.
Being a VON to me means everything, because I've worked in hospitals, I've worked in home care, and I want to combine the both of them. Community nursing is something that attracts a certain type of individual who thrives on that independent environment, but also has a strong sense of team and a strong sense of belonging, and is really confident in their skills and really wants to make a difference in people's lives.
The VON values of responsiveness, courage, participation, and respect are part of every day at VON.
I think a lot of people feel in the community you're just making visits, and it's more of a social interaction. We are doing the same skills that you do in the hospital setting.
But it's also a very rewarding experience that you will not get in an acute setting. You see people come home, you see them get well. You can maximize your skills and optimize your own level of nursing.
It's a very flexible career. I have 2 small children, and this career has allowed me to not only be a nurse to the max, but it's helped me be a mom to the max, and that's important to me.
It's nursing across many different populations, different age groups, from babies to people over 100 years old. I see people with pretty much every single type of medical condition you can imagine.
I don't have that opportunity to say, okay, today I'm going to be a cardiac nurse, and that's all I'm going to know. When you leave the home, you have to be prepared to do everything.
We're like a family, and it makes my work experience just wonderful.
It's something I really value. being able to spend time with my clients, and it's not something I would get in a facility, say, just because of the busyness and the hecticness of the day.
I love the job today just as much as I did 13 years ago when I started. It's above and beyond. I'm where I'm supposed to be.
I think everybody should come and work for VON.
We are hiring registered nurses and registered licensed practical nurses in addition to home and personal support workers and allied health professionals. What can VON give back to you? An opportunity to balance your home and family life with a satisfying and stimulating career. We offer a full and competitive compensation program, a pension plan, and paid mileage and travel time. Our leadership, clinical support, education opportunities, and peer support, along with 24/7 coverage, are just some of the reasons we are Canada's #1 provider. Be the healthcare provider you've always dreamed you could be. Join us. Visit our website at www.von.ca. VON, touching lives since 1897.